This module is a continuation of the previous module, which covers digital marketing tips for small businesses to help their marketing efforts. Small businesses sometimes struggle to find marketing ideas for digital marketing. These small businesses often lack the organizational structure, marketing processes, and teams to execute marketing strategies that help them create an effective digital presence that impacts the bottom line of the business. Here are some more tips you can use. Number 1. Create an app. Small businesses can benefit from creating apps for various digital devices, primarily if they sell their products to customers in certain localities or regions. Having an app can make small businesses more accessible and convenient to customers, making it easier to buy products or services. For example, a restaurant that wants to reach out to new customers downtown during lunch hours can create a mobile application containing information about its menu and directions. It would be handy for people looking for new places to eat. The Wix App Builder is a very easy tool for building branded apps for your business. Number 2. Optimize for mobile devices. Optimizing websites and content for mobile devices is essential. With more and more people using their smartphones and other mobile devices to access the internet, small businesses need to make sure their website and content look good and easy to use. Small businesses can use various tools to help them with this, such as responsive design templates or plugins that automatically reformat websites for different devices. Additionally, you should make sure you have a fast-loading mobile website, since research has shown that slow-loading websites are one of the main reasons users abandon a site. Number 3. Use video marketing. Video marketing can be highly effective. Videos are a great way to showcase products or services in an engaging and visually appealing way, which can help you stand out from your competitors. In addition to creating videos themselves, you can also use video content from other sources such as YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. Additionally, you can take advantage of social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter, uploading videos directly to those platforms. Number 4. Publish ebooks. Publishing ebooks is another strategy small businesses can use to reach potential customers. Ebooks are an excellent way for small businesses to share their expertise and knowledge with potential customers. They can be published on your websites or sold on online marketplaces such as Amazon. You can also use ebooks to drive traffic to your website and increase brand awareness. Additionally, ebooks can help establish your business as thought leaders in your industry, leading to more customers and business opportunities. Number 5. Use email marketing. You can use email marketing to reach out to current and potential customers with news, promotions, and other information about your business. Additionally, you can use email marketing to build relationships with customers by providing valuable content to them. As you do this, you can establish trust with your customers and turn them into loyal brand advocates who will likely purchase small businesses' products or services. Number 6. Engage customers on social media. Social media marketing is another way that you should utilize. You can benefit from engaging with customers on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. by giving discounts or chances to win free products or services for posting or engaging with your content on social media using specific hashtags. Additionally, you can use content posted by your followers as blog posts for your website or as videos for YouTube. Further, you should consider having a presence on less common social media platforms such as Snapchat, which you can use to reach new customers and establish your business as an authority in your industry. Number 7. Optimize web pages for mobile devices. Ensure that web pages are optimized for mobile devices. Most people access the internet from their mobile devices in today's world, so your website needs to be mobile friendly. You can use responsive design and test it across different mobile devices and browsers to ensure that your website looks good and functions well on all types of mobile devices. Additionally, you can track how much traffic you are getting from mobile devices and make changes to your website content and design based on that data. Number 8. Use QR codes. QR codes can be used to reach new and current customers. QR codes are two-dimensional barcodes that can be scanned with a mobile device's camera, which will direct the user to a website, video, or other content. Small businesses can create QR codes for their products, services, or special offers and include them on print advertising such as flyers, brochures, posters, websites, and social media platforms. Additionally, you can use QR codes to track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Digital transformation is vital for small businesses because it helps them keep up with the latest technology and consumer behavior. By using these, Small businesses can utilize digital transformation to their advantage and boost sales.